So check all the items before installing the machine to make sure nothing is missing. Okay, now just let's get started. Step 1. Assemble the frames. Firstly, take out all assemblies. This one, with the limit screw, is the right y-axis frame. Place the end with the limit screw on the right side and position it facing outward. This one, with the limit screw and scale, is the left y-axis frame. Place it scale side up with the starting point on the right. This one, with scale, is the front frame. The starting point is placed close to the start of C. This one, with nothing but 4 screw holes, is the rear frame. Place it between C and D, with the screw holes on the outside and bottom. Put them together and install them with 4 M5 multiply 25 screws into holes at each end of C and D to connect and secure them. Assemble the X-axis component. Take the X-axis, face A, and pass C and D through the middle of the E gear. Step 3. Assemble the L brackets. Turn over the machine. Take out the L brackets and the 8 M5 multiply 14 screws. Align the L bracket with the frame holes and tighten the screws in the outer holes. Step 4. Assemble the support feet. Screw the support feet into the holes of the L brackets in a clockwise direction. Step 5. Assemble the end plates. Turn over the machine again. Still face A. Start to install 4 end plates. 4 M5 multiply 14 screws are required. Attach the end plates to the B and A, first with screws. Step 6. Assemble the belts. Next, install the belt to C and D. On the D, with the serrated side of the belt facing down, run one end over the E bearing and under the gear. Do the same with the other end. Thread the belt through the flat hole of the end plates. Do the same on the C, with the serrated side of the belt facing down. Run one end over the E bearing and under the gear. Thread the belt through the flat hole of the end plates. To fix the belt, 4 M5x8 screws and 4 M5x15x1 washers are required. Insert the screw through the washer and the hole on the end plate. Press them against the belt and tighten the screw. Gently move the E to check the belt tension. If it's too loose or tight, adjust accordingly. Step 7. Assemble the limit switches. Locate and align the two screw holes at the end of C near A. Secure the limit switch mounting plate with two M2.5x6 screws. Take two limit switches, align one with the holes in the mounting plate, and secure it with two M2x9 screws. Push the E and check to see if the limit switch is working properly. Another limit switch is used on the E mounting plate to limit the module. Align one with the holes in the mounting plate and secure it with two M2x9 screws. Slide the fixture of module and check to see if the limit switch is working properly. Step 8. Assemble the laser module. Mount the rear dovetail groove of the laser module into the corresponding slot on the fixture. Turn the thumb screw clockwise to secure the module. Step 9. Assemble the control box component. Next, install the control box. Align the screw holes on the back of the control box with the mounting hole on the side of A. Secure it by two M5x14 screws. Connect the cables to the limit switches, motor, and module. Rest assured that the length of the cables and the corresponding color will not let you get it wrong. Notches and ties will help manage the cables. Remember to cut off the excess ties. Install the Wi-Fi area in the control box. Step 10. Connect the power supplies. Okay, after installing it, let's connect the power supply and turn it on and just try it out. Connecting the power cord and power adapters. Plug in the port. Use machine key to lock on the safety lock. Clockwise optional emergency button. Press the power button. Okay, as you can see, the machine can turn it on successfully, so the installation of our machine is finished. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.